Doing, Kaylee?
You want to hurry him, he would hurry you.
And what did you say?
No bikers, people.
Ow. Don't hurt me, Brett.
That's not fair. Stop that. Don't do that. Ow. Dad, no. But no. Dad, no. But no. Dad, no. But no.
Ow!
But get over it, Daddy. Stop. Nobody has kids. Get over it. Daddy and Mommy's are kids.
Ow! Ow, 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 ow!
But no.
Ow!
It's not funny. Get over it, Daddy and Mommy. No.
Please stop hurting me, Brett.
No.
Ow! Thank you, Kaylee. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Nobody.
Brett, Kaylee, you just tried to hurt Brett. Why did
Nobody hurts people.
Kaylee, why'd you hurt Brett?
Hmm?
Why'd you hurt Brett?
He hurts you.
Okay, thank you. That's enough.
She looked at you and I hit you again, and she was like, Dad, she was like,
Don't hurt me again, Brett.
I'm gonna get you, Kaylee.
Ah.